Hello and welcome to Anjali's Bake Affair. The cold wave is on, the children are at home, and my search for the perfect way to get the children to down their hot glasses of milk seems to have come to a temporary end with these trending hot chocolate bombs or hot cocoa bombs as some people call them. Yes, they are indeed little bombs made of melted chocolate and filled with some goodies like marshmallows, drinking chocolate powder or even cocoa powder. So let me begin by telling you how to make them. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do that because we are going to have lots of Christmas baking recipe videos coming very soon. So let's get started. For these hot chocolate bombs, you will need some chopped chocolate. I used only dark chocolate. You can use white as well. Some drinking chocolate powder, marshmallows, some sprinkles or other sugar decorations. Of course, these are optional. And the special equipment that you need are these sphere-shaped silicone molds, the pink ones that you can see here. First, you need to melt this chocolate and let it sit till it has slightly cooled down and thickened a little bit but not started to set. Now pour this into the molds and spread it all around into a thick layer. Make sure that the entire cavity area of this mold is well coated with a thick layer of the melted chocolate. Then you can invert the mold and let the excess chocolate drip out. Keep it in the fridge or in a very cool place to set for about 10 minutes. Then carefully turn out the set chocolate sphere halves. They come out very easily from these silicone molds, and that's the reason I love these molds. Now we need to stick the two sphere halves together to make a complete spherical bomb. So heat a plate or a pan or any surface slightly and place the two halves with the open sides down on it for say a couple of seconds. Now lift it up, fill one half with your desired goodies. I have filled them with the drinking chocolate powder and some mini marshmallows. You can use crushed peppermint or cereal or cocoa powder or pretty much anything that you would like to have with your milk. Now bring the two halves together, hold them together for some time so that they come together into one round sphere. And remember that perfection is not your goal here, okay? Now this recipe is supposed to be a fun holiday recipe, so it's alright even if your sphere does not turn out to be a perfectly, round. Now if you want, you can further decorate it and make it look even more pretty. I used some sprinkles and some more melted chocolate to decorate them. And there they are, ready, these hot chocolate bombs. There are two ways that you can enjoy them. You can either pour hot milk over these bombs or you could drop these bombs into hot milk. Stir it a bit and they come apart beautifully together, releasing all these marshmallows and hot chocolate powder and drinking chocolate powder that's inside. And everyone's gonna love having this milk. So go ahead, make this recipe, make your holiday season special. I'm sure you will love it. If you do make it, don't forget to tag us on Instagram at AnjalisBakeAffair. So till next time, bye-bye and enjoy.